Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are good. So today I'm going to be doing a swatch, a try on, and a review on the new Maybelline lip products. With that being said, let's get started. So I got 3 Maybelline lip products. The first one is Maybelline New York, and it is a matte ink, and I think it's like a lip gloss or lipstick, liquid lipstick. Then we have the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink. I have 2 of these, and these are in the shade Wicked and Royal. Let's go ahead and swatch them. Has a little bit of a scent, a little bit fruity. Oh, I thought these were lipsticks, guys. They're the same thing as these. They're like liquid lipsticks. I thought they were actual lipsticks. This one has a little bit of a scent as well, kind of like cocoa. This one smells exactly like this one. Now I'm going to go ahead and try them on. This is really pretty, you guys. I really like how it applied. And I really like that it is matte. You can start feeling a little bit of that stickiness, but it's not bad. Now I'm gonna try Royal. This is a really pretty deep kind of red. I really like this one. It is a little bit sticky, but not that bad. I don't think this one's supposed to be matte. It doesn't state anything on the packaging. Now I'm gonna try Wicked. These are all very pretty. I really like how they glide right on, especially because I was using another brush. The applicator wand is really nice. It looks very precise, and it looks like it's like gonna fill your whole lip. So I really like that this one is matte, and the color is very beautiful. It's like a Barbie kind of pink, especially when you apply it to your lips. You guys saw this is very pretty. This one does have a little bit of a scent, kind of like a fruit, like a fruity scent, kind of like the Lifesavers, but I don't mind it. This one's really cute. The packaging is cute. I like that it's lightweight and it's stayed and it's matte, so this one's good. What I like about these is that they also glided right on, and of course the one thing that I have to say is that I don't know if these are supposed to be matte, but these do feel sticky on the lips. It doesn't have anywhere on here that it's matte. This one just says liquid lipstick. The colors are beautiful for all 3 of them. I really like them. I really like the packaging. It's really cute. They're very lightweight. I do have to say that I had a difficulty trying to take it off when I was wiping it off. So I think that they're transferred. Let's see. Oh, just a little bit. Wait. Oh, I got a little bit more here. Hold on. I don't think so. One more. Let's try. Oh. Let's try this other side. No, it transferred a little bit, but not a lot. I think that's why it's a little bit sticky. Just a tiny bit. Oh, I'm really going in there. So I think that's why it's a little bit sticky. These 2 kind of like are hard to take off. I really like that. So if you're looking for something to stay on throughout the whole day, or to retouch every now and then, but not as much as you would with other lipstick brands, I would suggest these guys. Maybelline, you did a really good job with these. And of course, this video is not sponsored. This is just my opinion. Final rating, 5 out of 5. For each one, 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. This brings us to the end of the video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, nights, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.